JCinHD.
Hi, it's Jay from JCinHD. On this Tutorial Tuesday, we will be making a Boomerang Paper Airplane. You will need an 8x11 piece of copy paper. First, fold the paper in half, crease and unfold. Next, fold the two corners so they meet each other in the center crease. Now fold the large triangle over itself. Again, take the two corners and fold them in so it reaches the middle crease. Then fold the airplane in half. To make the wings, fold one side down at the point, about halfway down the side of the plane. Repeat on the other side and make sure that the folds match on both sides. Try flying it and see how it comes back to you. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any suggestions for a future Tutorial Tuesday.